Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Options channel. In this video, we've decided to review the best meat slicers in 2020, available on the market today. Let us know in a comment below, what is your fear about buying a meat slicer? In order to make some useful videos in the future. We made the list of this top 5 best meat slicers, based on our personal opinion, research, price and customers' reviews. If you'd like to see their price, and find out more information about products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best meat slicers in 2020. The 5th product on our list is KUSAMAX 200 watts electric food slicer. The KUSAMAX 200 watts comes with a sharp, precise 7-inch plate ideal for heavy commercial slicing. The plate is removable and it is easy to clean. You won't have to worry about hidden food waste within the meat cutter. You just need to remove its plate and thoroughly clean it. Also, it can be used in a variety of services such as slicing chicken wings, cheese, vegetables, turkey, roast beef. The unit will please you with a razor-sharp, 7.5-inch stainless steel blade, which is also detachable for easy cleaning. More to be mentioned, with this model, you can change the thickness of the knob from 0.04 to 0.6 inch, depending on what you're going to slice. More than this, other relevant aspects to take into consideration are the on-off switch, that allows for safe operation, and the large sliding platform that keeps a firm grip, keeping the user's hands away from the blade. This slicer is great for home use. It's small and easily carried and stored. Cleaning the plastic guard and removable slicing blade and the fold-over carriage will take only minutes to do. It helps manage your work in the kitchen to be easier and more efficient. Even though the size of this slicer is small, this is really powerful. You can use this slicer to get paper-thin cut meat. They are awesome. One feature that really stood out is the suction cups on the base. Anyone who has used a slicer knows how very important it is to have a steady appliance. With adjustable gap, you can utilize this function to cut the slice for hot pot, or cut the slice for thicker meat. Remember to freeze the meat a little bit before the cut so that it will be efficiency. The advanced design of this model also ensures that the internal working doesn't require any sort of lubricant for optimal operation. Assembly is as is and you're good to go. So, its pros are: it has a very sharp blade that is made of stainless non-separated steel. It has an adjustment knob for thickness adjustment. It has a power switch attached to prevent frequent accidents. However, its cons are: the motor may run slow. The large and sharp blade can perfectly slice meat, rigid veggies, bread, and also hard cheese. Thus, if you want to enjoy your dear ones with appetizing platters, this is for sure worth considering. Up next in the 4th place is OSDB, a meat slicer electric deli food slicer with child lock protection. OSDB, a meat slicer, is loaded with 150 watts of motor power, which can drive the blade with power to give you a smooth and even slicing experience. Safety comes first. OSDB, a home meat slicer, is equipped with a child lock protection switch. You need to press down the safety lock and power button together to turn it on. OSDB, a raw meat slicer, features 0 to 15 mm adjustable thickness, and it has the tick mark to show the precise thickness. It is perfect for slicing a lot of food, such as bread, cheese, meat, deli, ham, etc. There is also a removable ring guard to keep debris from building up, and the entire machine can be easily disassembled for easy cleaning between uses. This slicer features a 7.5-inch stainless steel blade, along with suction feet to ensure that it never moves during operation. The extra lock means that you must push the safety and power buttons simultaneously to turn the slicer on. This unit also comes with a satisfaction guarantee and a quiet motor that delivers all the performance you need. Further, the thickness of the meat slicing can be adjusted by adjusting the blades. It has an efficient blade and motor and is noiseless and smooth in its operation. So, its pros are: complete control over the food that is being sliced. Affordable in comparison to other meat slicers. It is not only easy to use, but is also highly safe. The blade is sharp and does not require constant sharpening. However, the cons are: the food pusher is not of good quality and breaks easily. This meat slicer electric deli food slicer is really great. It had a good price, and stills had a good quality. It is easy to use and easy to clean. The 3rd product on our list is Chefmann die-cast electric deli and food slicer. The electric deli slicer's powerful 180-watt AC motor and serrated stainless steel blade make it easy to slice meats, deli, ham, turkey, cheeses, breads, fruits, and vegetables right from your own kitchen. The food slicer is equipped with an adjustable thickness dial for customizing slices just the way you like them. The sturdy construction and light weight is ideal for any home kitchen. Does not take up much room with its size footprint. Good 1-year warranty, and for $9.99 you can get a 4-year replacement warranty. Is easy to disassemble and clean, but a little tricky to get everything back and in place. Some things don't come apart to clean, so you have to move things around to get in all the smaller areas. With an adjustable thickness dial, you can get the exact size slice you want every time. No need to worry about bulkiness. With a sleek, compact design, this deli slicer is small enough for most cabinets and countertops. It is quiet and has rubber feet so it won't slip and slide on your counter. It is made from stainless steel that can take a beating. It comes with one 10-inch diameter blade and 2 whetstones so you can keep it sharp. It has a numerical scale and adjustment knob so you can set the thickness of the slices you want. It has a dual handle system and has heat output vents to help keep the motor cool. The blade has a protective cover, and it also has a tray to collect the food you have sliced. The tray and the blade cover are removable and dishwasher safe. So, its pros are: it is smooth, quiet and precise. The motor runs well and handles large jobs. The 2 whetstones make sharpening the blade easy. However, its cons are: the manual is disappointing and difficult to understand. The rotary adjustment knob for the slice thickness can get stuck. Not great for huge meat like roast because the motor is not big enough for that job. You will find that it will not take up a lot of space in your kitchen. And, of course, it cuts the cleaning time because its removable parts allow you to clean the components easy. The second product on our list is Kitchener 9-inch Professional Electric Meat Deli Cheese Food Slicer. You can produce deli thin meat slices using its easy thickness adjustment knob. It is one of the most portable meat slicers in this segment. The 9-inch blade is also better for cutting than the smaller 7.5-inch blades in other slicers. The orbital speed at the cutting edge is faster with larger diameters. It comes with removable blade, which will enable you to regularly clean it up after using it and thus preventing cross-contamination of various foods. Is made of stainless steel, a material that you are definitely familiar with in the kitchen. Stainless steel utensils won't rust, and you can rest assured that this blade will never rust even when the conditions for rusting are prevailing. This electric slicer's blade is powered by a belt which is driven by a 150-watt motor. Unlike other slicers, this one is quite energy efficient because it consumes minimal power. Use it to cut cheese, bread and potato shavings without a hitch. It comes with a large carriage that'll help you work wide big chunks of meat with minimum hassle. One of the biggest perks of this product is the length of the power cord. The whole electric kitchen slicer is designed to have a compact shape which makes storage and transportation quite easy. With 4 suction cup feet placed at every corner, the premium coated steel and die-cast aluminum housing is made stable and firmly grounded while slicing. If this slicer gets defective, the manufacturer has not provided any clear warranty period. But there is a return policy of 30 days after the product arrives and you find out that it is defective. A problem that you can have with this machine is the plastic guard to hold the meat does not grasp very well. Disassemble is easy, no special tools are required. You can use a coin to remove the blade. The shelf that supports the meat slides easily from side to side and cleaning is fairly simple. So, its pros are: easy to maneuver and clean. Lightweight construction. Durable. However, its cons are: the motor power isn't that great. If you don't have a huge kitchen or run a food truck, this compact and lightweight slicer would be an ideal addition to your kitchen. If you're searching for a slicer that can handle your home processing needs at a decent price, look no further. Before presenting our top product from our list today, be sure to check out the description below for the best options on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and best products on the market. Finally, our top meat slicer is Chef's Choice Electric Meat Slicer. The Chef's Choice Meat Slicer can significantly reduce the amount of time that you spend in the kitchen, and can highly improve the quality of your slices and cuts, so you can spend more time on the fun stuff, like eating and drinking. The Chef's Choice Meat Slicer is a reasonably compact piece of equipment, 14-inch by 10-inch by 10-inch, and weighs about 11 pounds. It can easily fit on any countertop or can be stored in a cabinet when not in use. It comes with a 7-inch serrated blade that can easily slice meat, vegetables, bread, cheese, and poultry with equal efficiency. Even some thick and hard food items like fresh veggies can be sliced with extreme ease. This meat slicer is easy to use, easy to clean, and very ergonomic in terms of slicing and tray placement. This Chef's Choice 615A electric meat slicer is a nice almost compact size, and not heavy at all, although once placed it stays put in, it's easier to store away. That is a definite plus. More importantly, It works great, slicing through a variety of meats with ease. It is easily adjustable, from very thin to thick and hearty slices. Cleanup is easy as well, of course you just have to be careful with that blade. It has a locking mechanism for when it isn't in use, and the cord retracts into the base, a definite plus again. The only concern we have so far, is that when the locking mechanism is engaged, it only covers half of the blade, on the front side. The feet are rubberized suction little feet so that it is supposed to stay put while you are using it. We like how you can put the plastic tray under the slicer to catch the food as it slices. That is a nice feature. So, its pros are long-lasting material and construction, easy installation, operation, and maintenance, the affordable price range in terms of features and quality. However, the cons are not hold the chilled meats firmly, so power source. Overall, great buy, relatively quiet, great price, and great for hot pot aficionados. Save some cash, and cut your own shabu shabu. Be sure to pick up some food-safe grease at the same time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out with our top, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.